is called the Adiva Bubble. It's the roof variation of the Benelli scooter. Let's see if we can pick out some of these other ones here as they go around. The Carvers, let's talk about the Carvers for a minute. That really is something. So it's the two of them together. Wonderful, there you are. And our Aprilia man that was really showing us how quick it will go this morning in the number 2 spot. So a real mix of riders and machinery. And we've got somebody here with a problem, but shakes his head and onwards we go. I do believe, I'm looking there, we've got a young lady having a go there on the 525 KTM, which is great to see. Nice to see the girl. Where's Anna? She's right over that side, and up he comes. Look at this, with Anna on the front. Give him a big round of applause. And I can't say as I blame her either. And here we go, unhanded control down at the far end from Tony on the black and white CBR 600. Here we come, Anna coming in. Well, Ivan's been left right over the other side.